100%. The factor 2 is location. Click add. And location is here. Define the value. We have value 1. Factor. Third. By the value. We have 2. The first thing, 50 subject. Second, 30 subject. Click continue. Last factor name is the length. First value, 5 years. 4 years. The third one, 3.5. Okay, now data file. Okay, create new data file. And then you put the name for it. For example, here I put, I call it test uni. Okay, test uni. Click save and click OK. Now I show you the result. Look at the result. Orthogonal plan here. It says a plan is successfully generated with 9 cards. It means that we do not need 36 universities. We only need 9 universities. Those 9 universities. When you go to SS and you open the file that you already made, it's called test uni, right? So click the test uni.sav, click open. Here, we have 9 universities already created. Now the first university is 2 subject, but we do not know what is level 3, level 2, level 1 here, right? We're going to design display and put on the 4 attributes into factors. Then you click the profiles for subjects and click OK. I'll show you the result. File number 1, that's the university number 1, is 50-50, right? In district. Profile number 2, that university number 2, 50-50, district 1, 50 subject and 4 years. Okay, let me fix my notes a little bit. Sorry guys, I think I got the morning cold. Now profile so on. 9 profiles. SVS make this for you, so you can cut out and then you show the respondents bottom, yeah, on data later. But yeah, I think that's unique here. You can go to data, go orthogonal design and display again. But now do not check the profiles for subjects anymore. You check the listing for experimenter. This one is for you. And click OK. Show you the result here. The result here, this one is called the plan cards. Yeah. Same with the profile number 9 is for you to cut out and show your respondent from those 9. We collect the data. So of data we will collect. Go to the blank data file and I'll show you here. This is the blank data file. In a variable view, you will make the variables. The first variable is called ID, okay? And then because you have 9 universities, you will have the data of ranking them. Okay. So here we can put the name is preference 1 to preference 9. We put rank number 1, right? 2, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5, rank 6, 7, rank 8, and rank number 9. Go back to data view. So here we have the ID of the respondents and how that respondent rank the universities. Okay. For example, I am a respondent. My ID is 1, and I will rank the university. For example, when I look at the universities, and I think that okay, number 6 is what I think the best. Oh my God, my nose. Sorry. Okay, number 6 is the best. Then second best should be I think number 8, and then 1, and then 9, then 4, then 5, then 2, then 3, for example. Oh, 6, 8, 1. You like number 7, right? So yeah, this is how I rank the universities. Now, how about you? Yeah, let's ask one more person. Number 2. The best, and then the second best, and then so on. Tell me which one. Vũ Đình Ngọc Diệp, please.
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me how you rank the universities.
I now.
Then you choose. This is your preference. Think, yeah, you think that is the best, and you tell me, and then go on. Yeah.
Okay, so number 5.
Yeah. Then
7.
7. Then
2.
2.
8.
8.
1.
1.
4.
4.
9.
9. Okay, still like number 3. Okay, thank you, Diệp.
Thank you.
Yeah, I ask another one. Phan Châu Thanh, please. Yeah.
Number
8. Then
number 9,
9.
and then number 4,
4.
and then number 3,
3.
and then number 5,
5.
number 6,
6.
number 7,
7. Like and 1 and 2.
number 2, and number 1.
2 and 1. Thank you. Okay, let's stop at 3 people. But actually, you okay? Here, add okay. Now we have 2 data files. One is called rank and one is called test uni. For this, we will run the this is actually built in the SPS. However, we must open the syntax. Yeah, we return shortly after I fix my notes again. Sorry. Okay, for the syntax, this is the first time you see the syntax, right? So how to open the syntax? To open the syntax, you go to File, and you click Open here, and you click the syntax. Well, the syntax you should prepare first. Yeah. Example here, I prepare for you the syntax 1. I will send to you. Yeah, okay. Syntax 1 is already open because I opened it already. Okay. Let's look at the syntax 1. Now, this one is called the syntax. Yeah. Especially for the conjoint. I save it, so I do not need to write it. Okay. Every time I use, I must write again. It's very easy to get some mistake because this one is like coding. Conjoint plan. The plan is the file that you store your new university. 9 of them, you know. So here you must put the the path to that plan. And how to know the path to the plan? I know that I put the test unit in yeah, I'll show you here. It's too long. Yeah, it's in A/ISB/SMA/ oh my god, very long, right? So you just right click the test unit and you click the properties. Copy it. Okay. Copy it and put it here. See, do not forget to slash the test unit. .sav. That's our plan. Our data. Data is talk about the file that you rank the universities. So it's in the same path, but this one is rank.sav, right? Go check. Test unit and rank. That's right. Now the sequence icon R1 to R9. Subject is our ID. Remember, the names here, all the names here must be very correct, okay? Do not make anything incorrect here. Factors, here I have 4 factors. In the test unit, the first factor is called lecturers. Yeah, and the S, lecturers, not only one lecturer, okay? Second is called location, without the S. And then subjects. Okay. And then length. Make sure that there is no mistake in the spelling mistake. Then after you write on those like this, click run. Okay, so you can see here we have conjoint analysis. When you see that no reversals occur, then it's good to run. Now, look here, we have overall statistics and importance values.
Teacher, you haven't shared your screen.
Oh, okay, thank you. Sorry, my bad. And look at the output. Yeah, conjoint analysis here. Yeah, again, look at the warning sign. We have no reversals occur. It's good to go further. The lecturers, we have 3 levels, you see. Location, 2 levels. Subject, 2 levels. And length, 3 levels. Now, how to read the overall statistics and the importance of values. Overall statistic first. You can see that lecturers here we have 3 levels: 100% PhD, 100% MBAs, 50% this and 50% that. Look at the utility estimate, and you can see that the utility is how you each level will bring the let's say the satisfaction to the respondents. Then you look at 100% PhD, it bring no utility. 100% MBA, yeah, bring negative utility. So the best thing is 50% PhD and 50% MBAs. Okay. Location. district 1 is not as good as district 10. You can see, yeah, compare the utility of between them. Subject. Look at the subjects. No one like 50 subjects, right? Everyone likes 30 of them. And the length, 3.5 years is the best. Okay. So, you know, if you create a new university, you should hire 50% PhDs and 50% MBAs. And how about the importance values? In comparison between lecturers, location, subjects, and length, then you can see that length is the most important in the respondents' eyes. Then after that, the number of subjects. And after that, the lecturers. Location is in the least important. Is that easy? Easy to but things. Anything you want to ask me, you ask me now. About conjoint. Don't ask me to run the whole thing again.
Yes, can we run whole thing again?
No. Okay, I'll summary it. So to run the conjoint, remember, conjoint is to test the new product. Okay. To test a new product, you must know some attributes that you have in the products. Okay, some attributes. For example, here, I want to have the new university. I have 4 attributes: lecturers, location, subjects, and length. Each attribute, you should have some choices. Okay. For example, here, lecturers, I have 3 choices. Choices. Attribute, we have some choices. We do not know how many prototype products that we must create. Then we go to SVS, you go to data, you go orthogonal design and generate. In here, you input all of the attributes in factor name. For example, the first thing, for example, is ABC. Add it. And the second, XYZ. XYZ. Add it. Remember, all of those are only labels. You can put whatever. For example, here is OPQ. Add them. Just as many as you want. And then you define the values. Here, you input the choices. For example, ABC, we have the first choice is A1. Second choice, A2. Third choice, A3. XIZ, yeah, do the same thing. First choice is X1 and second choice X2, for example, that. And OPQ, first choice O1, second choice O2. Then create the new data file. That data file is called your plan. Okay. Your plan. So whatever name you put, remember it's the plan. After you create that, you can open that file. And then you go to data, orthogonal design again, and you display. You put all of your attributes into factors and click the listing for experimenter or profiles for subjects. Profiles for subject is for you to print out and ask the respondents. Click OK and go to the output to check. Here. The first thing called calculus is for you, okay? To check about the 9 prototypes. Remember, the more attributes and the more choices you have, the more prototype products you must create here. But in many cases, you do not need to create the prototype products. For example, here university, you do not need to establish 9 universities just to test. You can make the cards and then you ask the respondents, okay? But if your products are about tasting or smelling or something like that, then you must really create them. For example, if you work for Coca-Cola and you want to make the new products, you cannot ask them, do you want very sweet or maybe not sweet at all or whatever. You must make them taste your products before you make them rank your products. So after you create this, you have the first file called your plan. Okay. The second file you need is the preferences. For me, I call this rank. Okay. And this is how you make the preferences file. Make the ID and then rank number 1 to whatever number of your products. Here I have rank 1 to rank 9. You do not need to put the name rank. This should be maybe rank, maybe R, maybe preference, or maybe whatever. But you must have the ID here, okay? And this file you collect from the respondents. Yeah, you ask them to rank and you input here. After you have the 2 files, the first is called the plan you create with orthogonal design. The second you collect from the market. Then you open the syntax, okay? Of course, in the preference file, you should collect from as many people as you can. Well, if they represent the market, then it's the best, okay? And after that, you open this syntax. The plan file, you put it here, conjoint plan. The slash data, you put the preference or the rank or whatever name you call it. Sequence is from preference 1 to preference 9. In my case, I call rank 1 to rank 9. Subject is the ID. Okay. And then you write the name of the factors here with the discrete in the brackets. I have 4 attributes, so I put 4 attributes in the factors and then print summary only, and you click play. You can see that the green triangle is the play. Yeah, click it. and go to the result. If you see that no reversals occur, then it's the best thing. If there is anything else in the warnings, then you make some mistakes. Recheck. Yeah, check and double check your work. And how to read this, you know that already. Compare between three choices of lecturers. Compare between two choices of location. Compare between two choices of subjects, and compare between three choices of length. Okay, to know what is the best, the best product you should create. And here, importance values is for comparison between the attributes. Okay, is that okay for you?
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay. Anything else you want to ask me, people?